Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome back to another video. Before I start with the Dollar Tree haul, I do want to make a disclaimer. I needed certain essential items, so I went to Dollar Tree because my husband had just gone to HB yesterday and looked for something and couldn't find it, and also forgot something. So I was gonna go to Dollar Tree anyways because I needed to get more activity books for my daughter. They just prolonged the kids going back to school here in my district. So instead of her going back April 6th like they thought, she's actually not going to be going back until April 13th. As of now, that is the deal. So she already finished her 3 activity books that I bought for her from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to make sure that she's still learning every day and using her noggin every day. So I wanted to go get more activity books for her and more just social distancing, you know, activities in general. This is bothering me right here. So I just felt like I needed more homeschooling supplies basically, and that is another reason why I went to Dollar Tree. Even though I did have fun getting out of the house and buying some things, I still needed to go out anyway. So I just wanted to preface this video by saying that I did get essential things while I was out. So obviously I'm not trying to post hauls to make you guys feel like you should go out, but if you were to go out anyways, I just wanted to show you some of the great things that I found today. So I have a pretty large Dollar Tree haul. Half of this is gonna be live, like not live, but you know, me telling you and showing you right now. And then at the end, I'm gonna show you a few more items that I had already put away. In the kitchen, I have some food items to show you, and then the activity books that I bought for my kids and some outdoor activities I bought for the kids. So that will be at the end of this portion. So if you want to see that, stay tuned because there's some really great activity books I found. But for right now, I'm going to show you what I brought upstairs. It's a weird split haul, but I'm doing my best. So first thing I want to show you is an activity that I found for me and hubby, because I was looking at the arts and crafts and I was trying to find something that would be fun for us to do or for me to do. I was thinking about doing arts and crafts. I didn't see anything that really sparked my creativity, but I found this in the arts and crafts section and instantly I was like, I need to get that. So this is the 90s Trivia Challenge. 6 trivia categories, and it says on here 2+ players, 12+ for the age. How well do you remember the 90s? And I am so excited for this. So please leave a comment below if you guys want us to play this on camera, because I think this is gonna be super fun. So I just got really excited about it, and this was the only one I saw there, and I just felt like it was a jackpot. Something fun for me and him to play, maybe when the kids go to sleep and we're drinking. I think it would be really funny. And I'll start off by showing you guys this basket. I had hauled a white one in my last Dollar Tree haul, and I decided to get another one. Unfortunately, they didn't have any white, which is lame, but this is the color of my house. My new house is actually this kind of blue. But I figured I would just get this blue because this is a really nice size basket. This is like the biggest basket you're going to find at Dollar Tree, and it's actually one of the sturdiest because they do have some baskets that are kind of big, but they're really not sturdy at all. This one is super sturdy, so look out for this one. The one that has the rounded corners, and it actually is stackable. So if you have multiple, you can stack them. But yeah, so I got one of these guys, and I figured this would be good for cleaning products for when we're moving. I just needed more containers to put things into to start packing this house up. One of the initial reasons I needed to go out to the store was for some aloe vera gel, and I am so happy that they were completely stocked up on this aloe vera gel. As you guys know, if you've been keeping up with my vlogs, I have a really bad sunburn right now, and it really hurts and it really itches. It's very painful, and I didn't have any aloe vera gel, so hubby forgot to look for this for me in the store, so I'm really glad they had it at Dollar Tree, and I cannot wait to put this on because I'm hurting, you guys. I'm really hurting, but I'm actually getting to the itchy stage too, so hopefully this is nice and soothing. Max Block After Sun Aloe Vera Soothing Gel for moisturizing relief. So yeah, that's a pretty nice size bottle. Going along with the aloe vera, I actually found this facial gel hydrator, which I thought would be good for the sunburn on my face. I have a little bit of sunburn on my nose and then on my cheeks here, and I really don't want to peel, and it's kind of painful, and it's kind of like I feel like it's starting to peel, but I don't want to put this on my face because I do have sensitive skin. And even though it kind of scares me to use facial products from the Dollar Tree, I really want to try this. So this is by Bolero, and this is a soothing facial gel hydrator, and it's cucumber and aloe. It says it's for all skin types and paraben free and color free. So I figured I would try it, and it can't hurt to have a facial aloe gel around for times like these, because I'm sure this will not be the last time that I get sunburnt. So I definitely wanted to pick that up, and I'm really excited to use it. And just because I saw it there, I figured why not pick this up, which is again by Bolero. It's the same line of cucumber and aloe, but this is a soothing facial mist. So I figured why not try it, and it goes together and it'll just be great. The summertime's coming up, and again, we're definitely gonna get sunburned again, but hopefully not as bad as this time because this was pretty severe. Another thing I went there hoping to find was one of these LA Color lip oils. At first, these didn't excite me, and I've just been seeing everybody haul these and they're saying how good it was. I was like, okay, I need to get my hands on it. So I got the scent Watermelon, and I really like red tone, translucent, clear glosses. It's just my favorite. So I'm actually gonna put some on right now because my lips look pretty crusty. But I have my favorite one by e.l.f. and it's the jelly lip gloss, I think is what it's called. But I left it in my locker at work, and I don't think I can go back to work to get it at the moment until I go back to work. And it sucks because I used to use it every day. That's why I kept it in my apron. So this mimics that same color, and I'm just hoping it does for me what that lip gloss does for me, and I can just use this in the meantime. Oh my gosh, this smells like my childhood, dude. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. It smells like watermelon Jolly Rancher, like straight up. For sure, this will be my replacement until I can get my favorite lip gloss back, but I really like this. Super slippery and moisturizing. I like it a lot. Again, with skincare, I found this, and I didn't think I was gonna buy something like this, but when I saw it, I was like, this is very intriguing. I'm just gonna pick it up because it'll go really fast. So this is St. Ives, which is actually a more expensive brand. Like this was probably worth $4 or $5, I would say. It says it's a cleansing stick, cactus water and hibiscus, and it sounded just so fresh and clean. And I was like, I don't know what this is, but I wanna try it. It says it instantly hydrates and softens the skin as you cleanse. And it's 100% natural, made with coconut oil. So the only thing that worries me is coconut oil. I hope that I don't break out from that, but it says in the directions, wet-faced, twist the stick up, rub over your skin, massage with your fingertips, lather, rinse, and glow. So I guess it's a cleanser. Is this a cap? Oh yeah, that's a cap. That smells really good. Smells very fresh. And well, this is St. Ives, and that's a good brand, so I'm hoping that this works out. I will definitely let you guys know how I like it in a vlog, but this just looked very interesting, and it's a name brand. Can't beat it for $1. I'm all about skin products, and I can never have enough. So another thing I needed to go there for was a regular sensitive skin soap bar, because this is what I use to clean my makeup brushes, and I just used the rest of my soap bar, so I don't have any more. I had to get one, and this is the Dove Sensitive Skin fragrance-free hypoallergenic beauty bar. So I just try to get the most gentle, sensitive, fragrance-free soap bar I can find. So I got the Dove one, and that will be for cleaning my makeup brushes. And then I found this, which I believe this is brand new to Dollar Tree, and this got me really excited. So I like to get the 100% acetone because it doesn't play any games. It just takes your nail polish off instantly. You don't have to be sitting there forever rubbing it. But they did have the regular kind. If you want the regular one, I always go with 100% acetone. And I was actually running out of my 100% acetone, and I've been painting my toenails and my nails a lot, so I needed some more. It has a locking lid, and it's spill-proof pump. So this is the Sashy and Shake. Guys, I've literally had one sip, and I'm already slurring my words. This is the Sassy and Chic brand. And so basically it just has one of these caps, and you take your cotton round or your cotton ball and you just press it down, and that's how you get, and that's how you get the product out. But I just thought that was really nice and easy to use and user-friendly. I just thought that was really, really cool. I've never seen that out at the Dollar Tree. I saw somebody's vlog, they hauled it today, and then I was like, oh, I gotta look out for that when I'm there. And I think this is the last beauty item I got, but hubby and I right now have the same toothbrush because we got them for free from the dentist, and it's really hard keeping track of whose is whose. So I was like, I'm tired of playing this game. I'm just gonna get us new toothbrushes that are different colors so we know whose is whose. And I thought this was a really, really great value. This is the brand Reach, which is a good name brand, and it comes with a cap on each toothbrush. So you can't see it because it's clear, but there's brush caps on each of them. And you know, for traveling, that's great. I don't know when we're gonna be able to travel anytime soon, but still, I like to get the soft. And yeah, I just thought this was a really good value. I get a purple and an orange toothbrush. I saw this and I'm thinking about my new house. I'm thinking about moving, and I was gonna buy one on Amazon, and then I saw it at Dollar Tree and I thought, oh, I should just get it there. But this is one of those over the cabinet, so you put it on the cabinet door like this, towel hangers. So here's a little picture here. So since we have a kitchen island in the new house, the sink is actually in the kitchen island. So normally I put my towel on the oven handle, but it's kind of annoying to have there because when you're like trying to open the oven, it's like there, right? So I wanted to try out having one of these on a cabinet right under the kitchen sink. So you can actually expand this. Whoop. There we go. You can expand it wider, or you can have it more narrow, but yeah, it's just to hang your kitchen towel. And I really like that it was like a chromey silver, and you can't beat that for $1 because the ones I was looking at on Amazon were about $7, I'd say. Another thing I got for packing, these were the only two they had left. I probably would have got 4 if they had more, but these were the only ones. And these are the large size vacuum storage bags. So basically you just put your stuff into the bag and then zip it up, and then this hole right here opens up for your vacuum. You soak out all the air, and then it just helps you take up less space. But I just need places to put my stuff, you guys. Like, I'm running out of like I've already used all of my luggages to pack our clothes, and all of our clothes are still not packed. I still have to pack the towels. I still have to pack so many things. So I figured I'd pick these 2 up, and that would be a good idea to pack some towels or winter coats in. So I got those, and I also got some packing tape because we have some plastic Sterilite drawer sets. I have one, my daughter has one, and we also have one in the playroom. So I figured we could put some stuff into the drawers to bring it over to the new house, but you gotta tape them shut so that they don't like open and nothing comes out. So I got some packing tape. And I also found that they had a lot of t-shirts at this Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree's like hit or miss. Sometimes they have a lot of shirts and sometimes they don't. They had a lot of shirts this time, but most of them were size small. So this is a size small, but I'm hoping it'll fit me because I just thought this was such a pleasant, cute little green. It's kind of coming off more teal on the camera, but it's more of like a succulent green. That's what I would call it, a succulent green. And it's got that worn look to it and a little pocket here. And I just thought, you know, I'm wearing a lot of like regular t-shirts, as you can see. I'm just trying to be comfy because we're just at home all the time. And I could always use more just comfy throw on t-shirts to go with leggings or little shorts. So I decided to pick it up because I just thought the green was like really calming. It's just a really calming, cute green. I don't think it's doing its justice on the camera. And the last thing that I got at Dollar Tree was this large tote bag because you can never have enough tote bags. And I feel like I could put all of my pantry food or like my refrigerator food in this when we move to the new house. So I do have some tote bags, but I feel like I needed more to carry all the stuff I gotta carry to the new house. So I figured, why not pick it up for $1? You really can't go wrong. And I've seen this in so many people's hauls. I just thought it was super pretty for summer, slice of summer. I love the watermelon, I love the green, and it's just super fresh looking. And it actually has long handles so you can carry it on your shoulder. And then it also has short handles so you can carry it like this and it won't drag on the ground. And there is a snap button on this one, and most of them don't have snap buttons, but this one does. So yeah, I decided to pick that up. It will go to good use. And that is everything I got from Dollar Tree, you guys. I did get this from HEB for packing. I only got one, but it's a big boy. It's an 18-gallon. So yeah, another reason why I had to go out was to get one of those storage bins so I could pack some more stuff. But yeah, that's everything in the haul. I think I found some really great stuff and it just felt so good to get out. I sanitized everything, you guys, everything. What I do is I spread it all out on my kitchen floor and I just spray everything with Lysol. And then I let it sit there for like 10 minutes or so. And yeah, it's really annoying to do, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I started bringing the Lysol bottle with me, so I sanitized my door handle, my car keys, my debit card, my hands, my purse, because you don't even think about that your purse sits on the counter, so I like sanitized all of my purse and the zipper that I had to touch to open it. I mean, I sanitize everything. I'm doing the best I can, but we really took for granted being able to go out whenever we wanted to, like our freedom, I think. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul, and if you want to see the rest of the haul, make sure you stay tuned so you can see all the other items that I bought. But I'm just gonna say bye to you guys now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.